The following is an urgent weather message from the National Weather Service. Issued at 3:56 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time. The National Weather Service in the Emporium-Mechlin Metroplex has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for western Alpine County in southwestern Heptonia until 4:15 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time. At 3:56 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was identified by radar and local law enforcement, moving east at 50 miles per hour. This is a destructive storm for Alpine County. Hazard: 3-inch hail and wind gusts to 80 miles an hour. Source: public confirmed large hail. A Mesonet recorded 73-mile-per-hour wind gusts at 3:52 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time. Impact: people and animals outdoors will be severely injured. Expect shattered windows, extensive damage to roofs, siding, and vehicles. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Prepare immediately for large hail and damaging winds. People outside should move immediately to shelter inside a strong building. Stay away from windows. This is a dangerous storm. Prepare immediately for large destructive hail capable of producing significant damage. People outside should move to shelter inside a strong building and stay away from windows.